Today's video will explain to everyone how to use the console to control the 5 recorded effect programs. Now we've recorded the 5 effects programs, recorded separately into 5 buttons. First, we press the output button, then press the confirm button to enter. We select the trigger mode, which is trigger mode, and below here. The first one is DMX address 1. We don't need to make any modifications. Then trigger allowed, which means disabling it. We are using the console mode. We can use the console to go to control the effects of 5 buttons. Channel 1 corresponds to button 1. Channel 5 corresponds to button 5, and so on. Next, let's see the effect.